Okay, hello. Yeah, this time I will try to yeah configure FortiClient EMS for this kind of service, zero trust security. You know, FortiClient product download. When you click download, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before, I think there was only 2, but there are 3 edition, uh, additional. Yeah, added. Hmm, interesting. So this is my what I use. I will check what's the difference. EMS and then actually I don't know. So just to install. So the environment is in data center, and then I already downloaded FortiClient, the server version. Yeah, let's try with 7 point. Yeah, okay. Copy and paste. And run. Okay, FortiClient. Okay, what it's during the installation, let's check the FortiClient EMS install guide. There is a quick start guide, administration guide. SQL Server is required. Product equipment 7.0. Like this. EMS installation system requirement. Okay, Windows Server. And then ODB SQL Server is required. Automatically it install Express. There is a 5 giga limitation. Reinstalling. SQL Server. It's not good idea. Yeah, maybe SQL. Yeah, maybe it does not require many it does not require many database size. Okay, understand, because it just contain template or just few, not all. Okay, acceptable. But optional during may require some dependent download. Okay, require service and port. Disable firewall just Chromebook? For managing. Okay. Apache HTTPS. Apache? Oh, it installed Apache. There was this message. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Admin password. Okay. Remote access. Okay. Okay. License. There is no demo license. Oh. Licensing. There are similar licensing by logging to FortiCloud. You can use this method to apply trial or paid license. Okay. Installing. Okay. And then licensing. Oh, what's this? AirGap. Nice. FortiClient EMS. Yeah, FortiCloud. And then this. Yeah, it's taking quite long. And but no need. This is test. Uninstall managing Chromebook. Okay. The GUI banner left. Dashboard. There is no image. There is image. It's a little different than I expected. Maybe this, no. Fabric, Fortigate. Okay. I will come back after it. Yeah. After there is update. Okay. Okay, after Express server, yeah, now FortiClient and EMS, yeah, installing. Okay, come back. Okay, yeah, install, finish it. No. Okay, and point, yeah, this is installation. Double click. This is console. Like this, just. Yeah, 80. Okay. Local host. Yeah, it looks same, right? So, why it takes more? HTTP win. Okay, let's see. Admin? Digital ID. Yeah, okay. without password. Except. Okay. Okay. And sign in. Okay. Invalid account. Okay, wait. Oh, yeah, it's working now. I just log in with my personal account. Where is there is EMS FortiGate license. Where can I? Yeah, this is the personal account, but yeah, it's working. Maybe you can do that. Okay, yeah. Fabric agent, configure license, no. Okay, let's see, license. License is maximum 3. What is Chromebook? Trial. Fabric agent means maybe FortiClient 3. Okay. And then EMS setting, yeah. Listening for FortiOS. Chromebook. Endpoint setting. Okay. Where is yeah, manage deployment. Endpoint group no, install. Oh, looks a little difficult. Manage deployment. FortiClient installer. Release. Okay. This is FortiClient and management deployment. Name. All group. Action is I can uninstall. Okay, on install. Start schedule time. Reboot when needed. Unintended. Reboot when not used. Okay, enable this deployment. No. There is no running. Just when I click. Huh? Edit. It just. Oh, interesting. Okay, I will disable. Domain, maybe folder user. Invitation. Okay. Endpoint. Endpoint profile, yeah, antivirus, okay. And then endpoint. Endpoint polish is user, yeah, each user. And then zero trust. What's this? rule. Okay, software application. Oh. I think. Oh, nice new detail. This is just a client install quarantine. Okay. Yeah, fabric. No. I need to configure the. No, this is FortiGuard. FortiManager. I need to the connected with the Fortigate, but how? Feature select. Okay, I will check. I will come back. I will check. It's too simple. I will check. Come back. Yeah, I saw fabric device. Yeah, here, but there is no found. I think I need to configure this in the Fortigate. So Fortigate installation required. The VPN. The VPN connection is to the Fortigate, and then telemetry. Yeah, just for there is image. Okay, I will show you later. Yeah. Okay. The endpoint profile now. Deployment and then installation. AD server. No, not need right now. Yeah. And then no need. Okay. I will come back. Bye bye.